What's going on, guys? We're back with another video, and today we have the Nike Air Max Goaterra 2.0. Now, looking at this huge box, on the side you can see the official colorway. It's black, because that's all it is. It's just pure black. Straight out of the box, you can tell Nike has used premium leather all around, and some other types of material as well, like the swoosh, for example, and the tab on the back. I feel like some sort of denim material. You got the Air branding on there as well on the back tab. You got the swoosh there. You got the air cushioning on the heel to provide you with the extra comfort. You got Air branding over there as well. Now the material themselves is supposed to be waterproof. Oh my god, look at these laces, man. Now the tongue itself is also made out of the denim material that I was talking about for the back tab. And as you can see on the inside, just premium leather, premium materials. You also got padding on the collar, which is supposed to add extra comfort. Now the design on the outsole is quite different. You got this large piece right there, and from my understanding and from what Nike has written on their website, is that this sneaker, this boot slash sneaker, is supposed to give you a more enhanced grip on all sorts of surfaces. Now, these boots on feet are very comfortable. I do like them. I do like the way they look. You know, I like that you can wear these with almost anything, and it just gives you that rugged look that you get with, you know, something like a Timberland. But I don't expect like an Air Max 90 comfort on these, but as far as boots goes, these are comfortable, and I would definitely recommend them if you're looking for a Nike boot for the winter. This sort of like ticks all the boxes. You got comfort, you got the durability, you got the premium leather, you got your enhanced grip. What else you want? That's all you can ask for on the boot. I don't know if it's necessary, but I'm still gonna do it. The crease test. And as you can see, these hold up quite well. The toe box just doesn't get creased. I mean, I tried, and even after the video was done, I tried a bit more just to see if it will get creased, but no. I mean, sizing wise, I would recommend staying true to size, but if you're planning on wearing these with thick socks for the winter, go half a size up. So that's it, guys. That's it with this video. That's it with these sneakers, boots slash sneakers, whatever you want to call them. Let me know what you think. Would you cop these over Tim's or vice versa? And I will see you guys on the next one.